I now like for you to let me come to you as a storyteller, ready to share a tale that traverses the landscapes of desire, change, and the profound realization that sometimes the grass is greener on the side of the fence we once left behind. Imagine a small town cradled between rolling hills and endless fields, where a woman named Emma had spent 15 years as a dedicated writer. Her heart echoed with the quiet yearning for a change of scenery, for opportunities yet undiscovered. In the depths of her soul, she believed that on the other side of the proverbial fence lay the vibrant, elusive grass she had dreamt of. One day, fueled by a longing for the unknown, Emma made a courageous decision. She bid farewell to the familiar faces and the life she had known and embarked on a journey to the bustling city, convinced that within its vibrant energy and endless possibilities, she would find the inspiration and success she craved. As Emma settled into the rhythm of city life, the initial excitement was palpable. The metaphorical fence that had separated her from her past seemed like a gateway to a world of endless potential. She immersed herself in the hustle and bustle, relishing the new experiences and opportunities that the city presented. Months passed, and Emma thrived in her writing endeavors. The city, with its towering buildings and diverse communities, became her canvas. Yet amid the urban labyrinth, a subtle longing started to weave its way into her heart. She began to yearn for the quiet charm of her hometown, the genuine connections she had forged, and the simplicity that once defined her life. One day, as Emma wandered through a city park surrounded by concrete and skyscrapers, she felt an unexpected wave of nostalgia. The allure of the familiar, the comfort of her roots, tugged at her soul. It was in that moment that the realization struck her. The grass she had left behind was still as vibrant and green as ever. Determined to explore this newfound awareness, Emma decided to return to her hometown for a visit. As she crossed the threshold back into the embrace of familiar landscapes, she was surprised to find that the grass on the other side of the fence hadn't lost its charm. The town, with its simplicity and authenticity, remained a sanctuary for her spirit. In this moment of profound reflection, Emma understood that the concept of the grass being greener was a matter of perception. The journey had taught her that contentment and inspiration could be found not only in new horizons, but also in appreciating the beauty of what one already has. And so, dear friends, I invite you to embark on your own journey of self-discovery. Perhaps like Emma, you felt the call of distant pastures, the allure of the unknown. It's natural to seek change, to explore new possibilities, but let Emma's story be a testament to the profound value of our roots. In a world that often urges us to chase the next big thing, to believe that happiness lies just beyond the horizon, Emma's journey teaches us that the grass is not merely greener on the other side, but also under our very feet. The journey is not about leaving the past behind, but about recognizing its enduring significance. As we navigate the web of our lives, let us not forget to look back, to appreciate the richness of the landscapes we've left behind. In our pursuit of dreams and aspirations, may we find inspiration not only in the distant horizons, but also in the familiar faces, the steadfast friendships, and the simple joys that accompany us on our journey. Embrace change, yes, but also embrace the beauty of what you have today. Cherish the connections that have stood the test of time, the communities that have shaped your identity. The grass is not a static green. It's a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry that weaves the stories of our past, present, and future. And so, my friends, let Emma's journey inspire us. Let us celebrate the realization that the grass is in fact greener on the other side, no matter what side of the fence you're on. As we move forward, may we carry with us the lessons of gratitude, the wisdom that comes from appreciating the beauty of our own patch of green. In closing, I leave you with this thought. Embrace your journey, savor the moments, and may your grass be forever green wherever life's path may lead you. Thank you, and please subscribe so you can receive more compelling stories.